So recently, someone sent a message to the message board and basically asked, can they invest in mutual funds with OPay? And I checked because it's not something I've seen before in OPay. So I checked the OPay app. I see the O Wealth, I see the targets, I see the fixed, and I see a bunch of options here, but there is no mutual fund. So surprisingly, OPay doesn't offer any mutual fund service. We've used the O Wealth. I've made a video about it. If you haven't seen it, be sure to check it out here on my channel. They also have the target savings, which is kind of like the piggyvest target savings, where you can actually save towards a particular target. So they have these other options, but there is no mutual funds on OPay. So I thought, you know what, let me check Palmpay. So I checked Palmpay, and lo and behold, right here you can see mutual funds. Let me click on mutual funds. Let's see. So this is Palmpay's mutual funds. They pretty much let you invest in different, basically different funds, not just you alone, of course. And that is what a fund is. It's basically you investing with other people. And you can see the percentage yield per year here. This one is 14%. This one is 1 year, 54%, which I think is actually huge, but, I don't know. There's also like a buy and sell price and everything. So we're going to invest in one of these because I want us to do this together. I have never invested in mutual funds inside Palmpay. I've never done it before. So use me as your guinea pig. I'll tell you how the money goes, if we're doing this together. So, let's click on more. So we have the Money Market Fund. Let's check it out. What does it say? Just like a description. Yes, the Money Market Fund is an open-ended fund authorized and registered in Nigeria as a unit. Okay. Money Market Fund. Let's Google it and see if we'll find something. Money Market Fund is a low-risk Naira-dominated mutual fund by investment managers. Okay, so it's actually a thing. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so there is the Money Market Fund. Let's check another one. This is Ethical Fund. Let me click on it. Let's see. This one is 54%. The 1 year return, over 10,000 holders. I mean, the fact that it's 54% actually scares me because I'm like 54% is a lot. But let's Google it and see. Ethical Fund. Risk is moderate, as you can see here. That's interesting. Ethical Fund. Let's Google it. Investments with Islamic finance principles and ethical values. Oh, nice. Sharia compliant. Asset allocations 40 to 75%. Wow. Fixed income and potential real estate 0 to 30%. Medium risk. Available for investment via the Am1 platform with a minimum of 10,000 Naira. So if you don't even want to use Palmpay, you can use the Am1 platform. Interesting. So as you can see, they all exist. It's also on Cowrywise as well. %55%. To be fair, guys, I am going to invest in this. You know why? Because it's on Cowrywise. You don't even have to use Palmpay, right? It's on Cowrywise as well. So if you use Cowrywise, you can check it out. So because this Ethical Fund is inside Cowrywise, and also you can find it on the Am1 platform, and you can start with 10,000 Naira. I am going to be investing in this one. So over 1,000 purchases in the last 7 days. I'm going to click on invest. It says minimum investment is 500,000 Naira. Actually 500 Naira. If you have 500 Naira, you can invest in it, but I am going to do 500,000 Naira. Processing fees is 2,000 Naira. Then current buy price is 107. Current sell price is 104. So looks like it's going to appreciate over time. So That's also what you want. So let's do that. Do I have up to that amount? Yes, I do have up to that amount. Let's do it. And then it says processing. So that's it. Let's view detail. See if we can get more information about this investment. Okay, it's all here. It says you'll get your unit within 24 hours on working day. Well, since it's on a weekend, I'm making this video on a weekend, it will probably take another couple of days for this to happen. So click on complete and then just go back. There are also other ones here as well. These are all it seems interesting. So let's go back. Now I'm also wondering, where is the money going to reflect? Oh, I see my portfolio up here. Let's click on that. It says 500,000 naira inflow processing. So this is still processing. When it processes, come back to the comments of this video. I will update the comment to let you guys know when it's processed. But yeah, this is basically how you buy a mutual fund within the Palmpay app. If you have any questions for me, as usual, please feel free to ask me. You can ask me any questions. I'm always here to answer questions you might have. If you want to see another video about something, let me know as well. If this whole thing goes south, I will also make a video about it as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys. Bye.